Queens Rollover Accident Lawyer. A rollover crash can change your life in a matter of seconds. Rollover accidents are catastrophic incidents that can have a sudden and lasting impact on your health, finances, and future. Even though they make up only about 2 to 3% of all vehicle collisions, rollovers account for roughly 1/3 of all traffic fatalities. That violent end-over-end motion makes these crashes far more dangerous than typical accidents. Under New York law, serious injuries from a rollover may allow you to pursue damages beyond basic no-fault insurance benefits. To recover for pain and suffering, your injuries must meet the serious injury threshold, such as broken bones, permanent loss of function, or a disability lasting at least 90 days. New York also follows a pure comparative negligence rule. That means you can still recover compensation even if you were partly at fault, although your award may be reduced by your percentage of responsibility. In most cases, you have 3 years from the date of the accident to file a personal injury lawsuit. If a public agency is involved, you may have as little as 90 days to file a notice of claim. Rollover crashes in Queens are often caused by high-speed maneuvers and reckless driving. When a driver speeds, takes sharp turns, or makes sudden aggressive moves, the vehicle's center of gravity can shift and cause it to tip and roll. Vehicle type also plays a role in rollover risk. SUVs and pickup trucks have higher centers of gravity than smaller cars. Passenger vans can become unstable when fully loaded or unevenly balanced. If a design flaw or manufacturing defect contributed to your crash, you may have a product liability claim against the manufacturer. Poor road conditions can also contribute to rollovers. Potholes, broken road edges, inadequate lighting, and unmarked construction zones can cause drivers to lose control. When a dangerous roadway plays a role, a government entity may be held accountable under New York law. Rollover crashes often result in traumatic brain injuries. The force of a vehicle flipping can cause bleeding, swelling, or tearing within the brain. Spinal cord damage, paralysis, and severe nerve injuries are also common in these accidents. Some victims suffer amputations or severe crush injuries that permanently alter their lives. In fatal cases, families may pursue a wrongful death claim, which generally must be filed within 2 years from the date of death. Determining fault in a rollover accident often requires careful investigation. Liable parties may include negligent drivers, vehicle manufacturers, or government agencies responsible for unsafe road design. A lawyer will gather police reports, witness statements, and accident reconstruction evidence to build a strong case. An attorney may also work with reconstruction experts who analyze vehicle damage, skid marks, and black box data to prove causation. Medical records, imaging studies, and treatment plans are used to document the full extent of your injuries and long-term needs. Seeking immediate medical attention after a rollover is critical. Prompt treatment not only protects your health but also creates documentation linking your injuries to the crash. You are not required to give a recorded statement to the other driver's insurance company. Anything you say to an adjuster can be used to reduce or deny your claim. Speaking with a lawyer before communicating with insurers can help protect your rights. At this law firm, your case is built around a thorough investigation, careful documentation, and a clear legal strategy grounded in New York law. Every attorney at the law firm focuses on showing how the crash happened and how it has changed your life. If you were injured in a rollover crash, you do not have to face the legal process alone. You can speak with a lawyer who understands Queens rollover cases and who will work directly with you from start to finish. An experienced attorney can guide you through deadlines, liability questions, and the pursuit of full compensation under New York law. Contact L Sanchez Law Office, PC, located at 3706 82nd Street No. 304, Jackson Heights, New York, 11372, United States, at 646-701-7990 to speak with a rollover accident attorney today.